Hello and welcome to this short video on activating Scout in your CNC software. You will need the internet connection to activate Scout. To get started, click Help, Free Product Registration, and follow the wizard. Fill the form with your data and pay attention to the email you enter, because we will contact you on this email. When you click the Finish button, the data will be sent to the server and we will contact you shortly by email with the activation code. Keep this activation code to yourself. Once you've received the activation code from us, copy it to the clipboard and open either Info Center or go to Help, enter Product Registration. Paste the activation code and click Activate. Now the Scout is activated. There's one more simple thing to do. Enter Settings, Plugin Manager, and check Activate near the Scout integration, and also set Auto Start to After Program Start. Click OK and restart the application. Once you've restarted the application, your machine should start reporting its status to the Scout server. And that's it. Now your machine is connected to Scout and you can start using it, so be sure to check out our other videos about Scout and what you can gain by using it. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or suggestions on how to improve or use Scout, please don't hesitate to contact us at cnctailor.com or leave a comment.